Hello guys, I was gonna say about the Charge 4 from JBL. It looks like that. It only costs 1,000 kroner, but it looks a bit larger than I imagined it would be, but that's a good thing, right? Yeah. So let's unbox it and see what's inside here. It's supposed to have 20 hours of charge time, so it can operate in 20 hours. And that's good, because my boss didn't like me bringing huge speakers to our workplace and connecting them to a Trondheim Kommune PC. So I guess that's why I bought this instead, because then I can just put it in my closet when I'm done with it, my shift. Yeah. So there you go. Opening. What did I say? Okay, so play, charge endlessly. Yeah. So you can actually charge your phone with this. I don't know if I said that, but you can. And charge. Nice. And there's a cardboard thing here. Nice. Wow. Okay, so this is actually quite larger than I thought it would be. Jesus, it's humongous. I thought it was much smaller. But, yeah, that's a good thing, right? Yeah. The good thing about this is that if you can open it up, then it has an aux. So then I can connect the PC. Trondheim Kommune PC. Yeah. Nice. Okay, yeah. Quite satisfied with the size. I'm gonna blow my head off with that thing. No more sleeping on night watch. Huh? Okay, so the foam is non-detachable, so that's not so good. But there is something else in here as well. Hoping there's a wire for the charger. But well, yeah, here it is. Yeah. Cool. So they actually gave me one of these. I have lots of chargers in the house, but I don't got so many wires. So. And there's a small for moisture. Very good. You can put it in my nose. Yeah. Oh, that actually cleaned my nose out real good. And what's this? It's quick start guide. Yeah. Yeah, so there we go. Awesome stuff, yeah. Oh, well, that's it from me. Hope you're doing okay, and enjoy your weekend. Take care, bye-bye.